Get Kanan's chair.
What we gotta do?
Get Kanan's chair.
We gotta get a tube, connect that to that or piece of pipe.
Mommy, are you making
So
a
what's
video?
that? And let it run farther over there. I'll stop there.
I made it. Now, take a rest. I see a creature! Ah! It's time to move! Quickly! Mommy? Can we see the video, please? Can we see the video, please?
This is day one of beans being germinated and pumpkin seeds.
Yeah.
And we have broccoli over here in the 3 left rows. They totally died, and now as you can see, they're looking awesome. They're standing straight up. I just fed them today some stuff to give them a little boost, some vitamins. Here we have Miss Cameron, who's getting over the chicken pox.
Chicken pox. The chicken pox.
We have our peas. I need the weed over there. And here's our carrots. And there's our little plant that Grandma brought home. got pumpkins on the far right row.
And here's me.
And we got garden beans in the 2 middle rows.
And Mom, I'm growing. I'm growing.
Yeah. Yep.
Tell the camera that. Put it.
She's growing now. She's coming up to the earth. And she's germinated. And she's turned into a beautiful flower.
I'm a tomato plant.
Oh. She's a juicy red tomato plant. Oh. That just jumps all over the yard. Oh, you okay? Oh.
I did it on purpose. It's time to eat.
Huh?
Okay, you please eat me.
Hey, Kanan.
Because
Cheese. Smile for the camera. Smile for the video. Say cheese. Say hi. Say hi. How old are you, Kanan?
2.
Say 1.
2.
You're not 2. Say 1.
3. I'm gonna go.
Thank you.
Go in now. Mommy, can I please see the video, please?
It's still recording.
Now.
What did you have for dinner tonight?
Dinner is I think, is it lima beans? Lima beans,
No, black eyed peas.
black eyed peas, and rice,
And
chicken.
were the black eyed peas delicious?
Yes, ma'am.
What do they taste like?
They taste like not horrible. It's not horrible, but it is delicious.
Okay.
And now, the rice, it was buttery, and buttery is my favorite because it has butter. I like butter. It's kind of like cheese.
Yes, you're right, it is. It's got a thickness to it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And the chicken, it was delicious.
What did you taste in the chicken? What kind of sauce was it?
Barbecue sauce.
No, it was Hawaiian sweet and what?
Hawaiian sweet and sour
Yes.
sauce.
Yep.
Yay!
And here's our other garden. We've got tomatoes.
Mommy, it's stuff right there. It's growing stuff right there.
We planted some watermelon seeds. We got a few broccoli that they struggling, but they gonna get it together. Our other tomatoes. Then we have our sweet peppers, our green sweet peppers. And here's that plant again. And then we got our lettuce. And everything looks so good, and it just smells so wonderful. You wish you had smell-o-vision right now. That's how good it smells around here.
I'm going to go back in, Mommy.
Wait! I'm coming, Cameron. Here's our zucchini plants. Ooh, I just saw the lightning bug.
A firebug?
A firefly.
And here's the plant of a firefly. Mommy, can we hold it?
No. And then I plant some cucumber there.
I'm a cucumber.
My plant. I thought you were a tomato. You're leaning over like a cucumber.
Yeah. Not to be dead.
You're gonna fall.
It's dead. because somebody picked it out.
Now somebody wants to eat it. I'm about to put some vinegar and some salt and pepper on you and eat you.
Ah! But don't worry.
Here's our zucchini.
Because there's a party in your
Another zucchini. Let's see if we can see that plant. Look, there she is.
What?
You see it? Look on the camera. You see the zucchini?
Yes, ma'am.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And the other one. I had to put some eggshells down there to deter the slugs.
There's slugs still down here?
No, they're not down there anymore. That's one of the slugs with the flower that we killed. And another slug.
It melted.
And then our other zucchini is holding on.
It's holding
And that
on.
one too. They should feel real good tonight since I fed them. Oh yeah, we ready.